Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift cards on Shein. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. You just have to come on Shein.com, or you can even follow the same steps on Shein mobile application. So you just have to first enter your favorite item in your cart, and then you need to click on the cart section, and then you will be landed on your cart. Now over here you will see all of the items that you have added in your cart. Now since you have a gift card which you want to redeem, you just have to simply first click on the checkout option, and then you will be redirected on the shipping address page. So if you haven't entered your shipping address before, you will have to enter that first, and then it will show you this gift card option, where you need to enter your gift card number and the pin associated with that gift card. Afterwards you need to click on the apply option, and your gift card will be applied, and then you just have to simply place your order, and in this way you will be able to basically use Shein gift cards online in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.